Let's go LKCO. As we predicted, guys, from the previous video we did here, we got rejected exactly at our price $1.11. And now where we want to go next for LKCO before our last trading session for this week. This is really important video we have to do today. Really important level, really rejection level, where we're gonna see our breakout. This is the moment of truth, guys. There is no time to waste for LKCO, now or never. So before we go in the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Daily video updates where you see where the smart money buy and sell as we predict exactly. We tested 3 times here at $1.11. Now all the prices we're gonna see today, we're gonna go through them. So yeah, like and subscribe to my channel. And as always told you guys, at my channel, no BS, no editing, straight to the information, straight to the chart. So let's get right to it. So as we talked about LKCO, the price of rejection, I told you guys this is really important here. Yesterday when we talk about, I said there is a big rejection here area, and the smart money knows exactly where they sell, and they sold here. There's a big selling pressure, and now by today, and not even by Monday, by today, we want to see a big jump, guys. This is really important. As I always show you guys, I always show you where's the big selling and big buying pressure happen without calling names for technical names like cup and handles and things like this, because I see the market is all about supply and demand, a massive psychology, and the smart money knows that, and you just know the prices. You just need to know where the selling pressure and where the buying pressure and where the key support and resistance for us, and the most important thing, the price value for our stock. And for this, our LKCO, the price value was tested here around the $1.11. We got rejected 3 times. Now look with me closely, this is really important. When we got rejected here at $1.11, this is a bit of good news for LKCO. As we can see, we never got below our exponential moving average here. Boom, perfectly. We just bounced from it and we close above our exponential moving average. Now what I can see, again, we have to do a checklist, guys. Checklist for our trade, checklist for our potential trade. First, we have our rejection here at $1.11. Okay, you be worried, oh, are we going lower? Yes or no, because we got lower, but we got bounce from our exponential average. This is a good sign, still good sign. Then again, let's go and make the chart smaller, and we go to the second checklist for our list, and it is our volume. Look with me, guys. Our indicator volume indicator here is turning above the 0. This is really good, and we've been trending down below the 0 and the negative since we've been dropping at the 24th of March. Now we still around the 0. Still we might go below the 0 again. So that's why we wait for our confirmation, the breakout, to go above the 0 and the positive. That's why we wait to go above the descending line here. I will show you which price exactly we should look for to confirm our breakout and to confirm our volume to go to the positive. Let's go to the third checklist, and we go to the big picture, and we see, as we can see, still the volume below the negative, below the 0 and the negative. That's why we wait for our confirmation candle to close above. As we see here in the big picture, we still, guys, trending below our exponential moving average, the 2, and we have this massive cross between the 2, and this is a golden cross. Now we after we got this cross, we got this big candle and the reversal on the trend, but we still you see guys, we still below our exponential moving average. This is the big picture tell us we still downtrending, so we need a candle to close here guys. Really important. Even a big picture validate our price in a smaller picture, and this is perfect. Let's go in a smaller picture again, and as I told you, here we still in the turning point for LKCO. You know why? Because as I can see, the moment of truth to change our volume to go to the positive, and to change the second thing to change our price movement below the exponential moving average to the above the exponential moving average, as we can see in a big picture. So now we wait just the price come here, and we have a closing candle here above our $1 $1.11 $1.11. So we have a closing candle, because we never actually have a closing candle. Almost every time we have a wick here, a wick at 21 of April, and here a rejection at $1.11, and again this is happened in 21 of April, and this is 22 of April. Now what happened in the 23rd of April and the Friday in the last trading session, and I can see guys there's a big potential that our price will go up here, and if we see the price just go above and close here just for this week, will be perfect scenario for LKCO. Because if we come here, there's a big potential we're gonna see the $1.29 by then, and the test again there's a bit of rejection again at $1.29, because a psychological support was for us before. Now it's turned into resistance, and if we have enough volume and the volume will support us, we're gonna break it, of course, and we have to after hold above the $1.32 by the cent guys, in order to see the higher high and change in momentum, and reverse the downtrend that been doing actually in 18th of February. So this is the turning point for LKCO. This is the good scenario. The bad scenario I can see if we don't close above guys. By today will be better. The sooner rather than later that we go above our technical area, above our $1.11, the best. Because as I can see by like if you want to close the week stronger and above the $1.11, this is a set incentive for the next week for the price will go up and even higher and test the other technical resistance area. But if guys we don't close above here and above our technical area as I show you, and we get rejection, and or worse we just drop from our technical area, like from our exponential average here, because the price just been squeezing here around $1.11 and around our exponential moving average, our AMA here, and bounce from it. So if we just go below the $1 this time guys, this is it. If we go just below the $1, this is validate that the rejection here was correct and the price is not right for the LKCO, and the smart money knows the price will go now even lower and might end up at 0.87 and even test our triangle ascending line here. Let me highlight it because this is really important guys, really important. As I always show you guys, no bias, no emotional trade here at my channel with Trading Jesus. Always tell you the truth and without bias and complete clarity, as I told you guys. So if we go to 0.99 as I showed here, there's a potential that we bounce from this level around 0.86 guys, around the 0.86. This is really important. 0.85, 0.86. By there, when we come there, this is really important. When we come there, I always told you guys, this we need a big buying pressure, a big wick candle to have a jump when we come here, because if we don't have a big buying pressure here, and this is acted as a this support level, it was like it's not strong support, and we don't see buying pressure here, there's a big potential that we even go to 0.68. So this is really important to point out. That's why I always show you guys to be extra careful and to be patient. You never jump in any trade without any clear indication for buying pressure from the smart money. If not, because the sometimes it happened for other stocks that I covered before, for Humble, like that's what it did. Our support here, it was crazy, without, there's no prime pressure, there's no wick, and boom, we go to other support technical area at around $1.25, and from there we got see the big jump. So this is could happen even for LKCO, so watch out, and hopefully we see a big bounce from there if we go to 0.99. So guys, as I always show you and at my channel, be always extra careful, wait for confirmation, as I show you here, like 4 confirmation in order to have your probability go up. This is in life, always have a set of probability that something go wrong or right. At the same time, make a checklist, so the more sign you have, the more probability that you get it right. This is it. You clear your emotion, you clear your like your bias thinking from the equation, and you just have data, and this data you can actually go look back and see what's got right and what's you get it wrong, and you improve. But if you do a decision based like a trade, you never know what's got you did it right or wrong, so you be gambling. This is what's the difference between gambling and using a strategy and trading with technical analysis, because the other one, there is no data, there is no strategy based trade. That's why I always show you guys to be extra careful, because here at the stock market, either you're hunt or you'll be hunted. Is like a jungle. So as I show you here, next weekend I will promise you guys for the second episode for my trading course, and stay tuned for that. I will show you everything about trading, and how to set stop loss, and how to get in, how to we do at with the chart, with examples. It will be easier to see, because I'm visual. It's really easy to see how you trade exactly. And hopefully you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. As I told you guys, no bias, no editing, no BS at my channel, straight on information. And until the next video, hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you and my trading course. See you guys.